What's up, guys, and welcome back to Pokepulls. In this video we will be continuing our dollar store pack openings. In the last video we didn't get much out of these, so I just figured since I did 5 in the last video, might as well do the rest. In this one we got what looks to be 8 packs left. So let us get started here.
I do have a knife with me this time, so hopefully, there we go. This should make things a little bit easier.
So we got first a Deerling, a Hoopa, and our first one, oh nice, little hollow, beautiful. So for once I'm going to actually leave that to the side. And let's go up with another
one. With the knife again.
And let's do that again. Maybe that's her. Oh, it's this way. And it's upside down. Nope, just always that one card. Okay, and I believe that's correct. We got Almanite reverse, a Glotzer, and we got a Goodra full hollow. Beauty. I don't know what's going on with these cards now, but we seem to be getting somewhat decent pulls. Let's go with another.
If we can keep pulling these good ones, I will be very happy.
There we go. And of course, Porygon 2, Spiritomb, and nice, a Gyarados. Beautiful card. Maybe I will start buying more and more of these, because these cards are kind of worth it right now. At least they are to me. Put that one to the side. 3 in.
Keep going with these.
Maybe I should just let's just do that again. Flip that card over. Togetic, reverse hollow. Nice card. Nice Nidoking. It's awesome. And our hollow. Oh, Togekiss. That is sick. You can't be making this up. I don't know what's going on. Our first video compared to this video is unreal pulls. This is awesome. Let's keep going. Keep going strong with these.
Another one. Don't want to go too close to these cards. I'll rip them.
Okay, again, and flip. A Goomy, reverse hollow, a Weevil, and oh, Moltres. That is some sick artwork too. That is awesome. 120 HP, Fire Blast, and Searing Flame as attacks. That's beautiful. This is getting better and better, guys. This is unreal. Go.
Another one. We only got a few more left, guys. So hopefully they're all
just as good. I think this is the... Nope. I was doing that right. There we go. And the Jigglypuff is upside down. Reverse hollow Jigglypuff. A Yanmega. And for our rare hollow, oh, Jolteon. Beautiful Jolteon. Look at that shine. One of my favorite EV evolutions. Definitely one of my favorite. Put that to the side with the others. Let's see how many we have left here, guys. We got 3 left.
One of those tres. Let's open one up here.
Again, Spiritsy, reverse hollow. Nice Primeape. Hopefully. Oh, Porygon Z. This is the Porygon of Porygons, guys. So nice. I don't get what is going on with these packs. I did go to more than $1 store to get these, and I think this is the one where I bought quite a few of them, about 10. And these pulls are just great. Oh my god, that is awesome. All right, 2 more. Alright, here we go. Put this to the side here. Oh. Did I get one of these? I feel like I got one of these already. Got a Goomy here, reverse hollow. Got a Drudgeon, regular. And another Jolteon. That's 2 almost in a row. We got 1 pack in between them. Not bad at all. These are in pretty good condition too. Got a little bit of wear right up here, but all in all, in great condition. I'll put that together with the other one. And I believe this is the last pack.
So hopefully, we can end this on a really great note, like we have the entire time with these guys. This has been unreal, guys.
Alright, here we go. And Quilladin, reverse hollow. And Amoonguss, regular rare. And for our final card, hopefully this can end on a really good note. Oh, Blaziken hollow. That is unreal, guys. That's so cool. I don't think I even have this one. This is sick. So happy with these finds right now. Unreal. Look at this mess, guys. Just pick you guys up. All these packs are opened. All these packs are opened. This has been a good opening. Let's go through these guys one more time. Obviously, we got the Blaziken right up front here. That Porygon Z. We got 2 Jolteons. Beautiful artwork with the Moltres. A Togekiss. Beautiful Gyarados. A Goodra. And a Suicune. Awesome. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Another video. This was an awesome video. Like, these are unreal pulls from dollar store packs. Too bad I bought them out from that dollar store, or else I'd be going back today and picking them up. But yeah, if you like the video, please share it. Please subscribe. More subscribers I get, the more packs I can open, more I can buy, and you could really tell that you guys are interested or not. So yeah, please like it, share it, subscribe, and leave in the comments what you'd like me to see. Like more of these pack openings, if you want to see the Elite Trainer boxes, if you want to do booster boxes, all 36 packs, whatever it is, let me know. The video is long enough as it is right now. So, later.